Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an amazing day. I'm Anna and today I'm going to teach you how to add all these beautiful decorations and make this unicorn, let's call it unicorn style rice paper sail. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and maybe share it with your friend, and let's begin. I'm going to take a little bit of piping gel. And you can buy piping gel or you can make your own. I have a recipe link down below. I'm using pre-colored wafer paper, but the one beautiful thing that I'm going to use is this hydrangea craft punch, and it's very easy to use and it's super versatile. So I would highly recommend you in something like this if you're going to work with wafer paper and you want to create different designs. So I will take a few of these flowers. I would take medium size and small size for this application, and maybe I will take a few in different shades. You can buy pre-colored wafer paper or you can airbrush and make the color you want. And I have few ones in gold, and I'm going to take these pearls. I don't need much. To create my flowers and to shape my flowers, I'm going to take a flower pad, take my tiny flowers, and I'm going to use ball tool to gently press in the middle to make them not as flat as they are right now. So you can tell the difference between this one. I used a tiny application of ball tool and this is completely flat. So I'm going to shape this one as well. Now I'm going to arrange my flowers, and to make my flowers more interesting and layered, I'm going to take a tiny brush and apply a little bit of piping gel in the middle and put another petal on top, maybe a little bit 90 degrees of setting like this. And you can definitely mix your shapes, shades, sizes. You don't need to use a craft punch to make all these flowers. You can cut them by hand. I just find that using craft punch makes my life easier and these designs go much faster. I'm going to use this ball tool to press it down and make it even more cupped, and then apply a little bit of piping gel in the middle. And take my pearls and place it here. These are going to be my main decorations, and I'm going to create a few smaller flowers and combination just of two or one with pearls in the middle. So a touch of piping gel. Place a few petals on top. Cup it a little bit. And a little bit more of this piping gel to apply these pearls. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my flower, apply a decent amount of piping gel on the back side and stick it to my rice sail. And now you have it, this unicorn flower, maybe spring or even wedding inspired rice sails. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I see you next week, same time, same place. I'm Anna Stashkina. Bye bye.